Doves, where girls discover their strength and confidence. My name is Miss Dove.
And I'm Little Miss Dove, but today I'm Mirabel.
Ooh, well welcome Mirabel. Today we're gonna learn how to stand tall and speak with confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself, even when you're nervous. Just like you had to with your family.
Yep.
Let's start with posture, how we hold our body. Sometimes when we feel shy, we slouch or look down. But guess what?
What?
When you stand tall, you feel tall inside too. So let's practice our power pose, just like you would if you were trying to save casita. So instead of slouching like this, shoulders back, chin up, and eyes forward.
Now you look confident.
Yes, so now repeat after me. I am confident. All right, great job. Up next is your voice. Your voice is your power. We're not yelling, we're using a voice that is clear and strong. So Mirabel, if someone's being unkind, what could we say?
Stop, that's not okay.
All right, that was great. Now little doves, repeat after me. No, that's not okay.
That was amazing.
Sometimes you have to speak up, even when it's scary. Now let's talk about your eyes. When you look someone in the eyes, it shows that you mean what you say. We can practice together. So look at me in the eyes and say, I believe in myself. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job, that was amazing. So remember, confidence is how you stand, how you speak, and how you believe in you. So today we learned how to stand strong like a hero, speak up like a leader, and shine like Mirabel without needing a magical gift. And remember, you're strong, smart, and brave. So keep soaring, little dove. See you next time.
Bye.